expertise, domain expertise in retail vertical, I find BI Retail to be more sound than the other vendors. And it is also the SaaS model which they offered, wherein it cuts a lot of my cost and my time and a lot of savings for the company. These are the factors which I actually considered while zeroing in on BI Retail.
We had a look at 3 or 4 different softwares, and we found BI Retail has got almost everything that we need. And like I said earlier, they're willing to customize for us. So the cost was not too high. Tried, tested software, and we're very comfortable with it. So we just went ahead.
Number one thing, they are from a domain, from a retail background, so they understand the systems very well. Because I have implemented system in India previously, where I had a great difficulty making the understanding of system to them and going back and forth a lot. So where I see a big advantage going with BI Retail is number one thing, they are from a retail domain and they understand what is the client looking for and what is the system all about. And they are UK based. I think they have tested their system before previously, and I think it's a great market for them in India. And I think for even small business in retail should go with them.
See, to me, very clearly, I would not go into detail, but for me the most important thing was looking at BI Retail's team in terms of ability to serve to us. To be very honest, I would not comment too much on the technical side of how each product is structured. I'm not really a technical person, but I think my decision is more from looking at your ability to be able to service us, to make sure that the business intelligence tool works, is the comfort which I'm getting, which is making me think about, I would say, looking at implementing any BI Retail solution. Because definitely I'm not looking for a software investment, I'm looking at something where implementation comes as a package. So I think that's what I would have considered.
And I think BI Retail will help in taking decisions much faster and getting a bird's eye view of things, and then if you want to go into micro into it, you can do that also. So this is what we feel BI Retail will be different from other.
First reason, it's a SaaS model. It is use it till the time you want. If you don't like it, you can throw it out. So it's not, it's a little word, but basically coming from a point that actually a lot of times you get carried away, and it happens that you get carried away with technology. It's technology is like that, and you don't use half of it. So the advantage is that you're low in your pocket. So you're going into something with a situation where you use it and you really can actually change it if you feel like, with asking a partner here, which is BI Retail. The other is that it's something where I've not put in 5 months or 6 months of my team and my effort, because more than money and the resources also on the number of people involved, because we are on a day-to-day work. It's not something that I'm going to launch. I'm on a working model right now where we've already been in the business for 7 months. I cannot have my resources spending time and energy on something which is going to take a lot of my time, because basically all the enthusiasm dies out. Right now whatever I have would die down after about 15 days. So we really want something which is fast, and I think the first reason was it is an OPEX model. The second good reason is it's a fast implementation, what we call ready to go live. And the third, which you asked for two, but I'll give the third, is I want an easy to use. And whatever I've seen so far as dashboards, I think the interface is beautiful. So if you enjoy a process, if you enjoy something, automatically you will use it more. It's as simple as that. It should not be a burden. And I think BI Retail should be able to give us that.